how we sit affects our mood, our personality, even our characteristics. If you are sitting in an upright position, you automatically feel more confident, more energetic. But if we are slouching down forward like this, we automatically feel less confident. Let's see this for ourselves. So cup-shaped fingers on the floor, lift from your lower back, broaden your shoulders, gently lift the chest up and neck long. Now place your palms on your thighs and close your eyes. Breathe. Keep lengthening from the lower back. Keep dropping the shoulders down. Lift from your neck. And inhale to your heart. Inhale to lift your chest up. Exhale to let the chest drop. Inhale to lift the chest up. Exhale to let the chest drop. Breathe. 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 So how are you feeling right now? With your spine tall, shoulders broad, chest out, you automatically feel better. You feel more in control. Now slowly open your eyes. So we saw how we sit affects how we feel, but the other way round is also true. How we feel affects how we sit, affects how our posture is going to be. So if you are feeling confident, energetic, you are automatically lifting up. You are in an upright position. But if you are feeling low or tired, it is natural for the body to slouch down. So one very good way to fix the posture is to fix the way we feel. So in today's meditation, we will work on setting the intentions of feeling confident and energetic in the mind and body. The more confident you get, the better your posture, and the more energetic you get, the better your posture. Alright, let us start. Cup-shaped fingers, lift tall, neck long, chest out, shoulders broad. Now maintaining this posture, place your palms on your knees. Close your eyes whenever you feel ready. If not, keep the eyes open. Now inhale to the count of 5. Exhale to the count of 5. Inhale to the count of 5. Exhale to the count of 5. Inhale to lift your chest. Exhale to let your chest sink down. Inhale to let your chest rise up. Exhale to let the chest sink down. Inhale to let the chest rise up. Exhale to let the chest sink down. Breathing in to the count of 5. Breathing out to the count of 5. Breathing in to the count of 5. Breathing out to the count of 5. With each inhalation, lengthening the spine gently, lifting the chest, broadening the shoulders, lengthening the neck, and with exhalation, maintaining this posture. Inhale to let your spine lift up, let the chest lift up, let the shoulders become broad, let the neck elongate. Exhale and maintain this posture. Inhale to the count of 5. Exhale to the count of 5. A gentle smile on your face. Now bring your attention to the crown of your head. Bring your attention to the crown of your head and let it relax. Let it relax. Bring your attention to your forehead. Let it relax. Eyebrows, relax. Eyes, relax. Cheeks, relax. Jaw, relax. Neck, soften. Shoulders, let go, relax. Chest, relax, let go. Arms, relax, let go. Breathing into the abdomen, inhale to let the abdomen expand. Exhale to let the abdomen contract. Abdomen, relax, soften, let go. Hips, relax. Thighs, knees, ankle, relax, let go. Your whole body, relax, soften, let go. Continue to breathe, inhale and exhale. Breathing in to lift yourself up continuously. Breathing out and maintaining the body frame. Now list 5 things that you absolutely love about yourself. List 5 things that you absolutely love about yourself. It can be anything, your smile or how you get things done, your courage. 5 things that you absolutely love about yourself. Now breathe in those 5 things into yourself. It's not about feeling arrogant or feeling better than others. It's about feeling proud of yourself and acknowledge the wonderful existence that you are. So list these 5 things and let yourself lift up with pride, with joy. And say to yourself, I am wonderful. Say to yourself, I am wonderful. Say to yourself, I am amazing. Say to yourself, I am a divine creation. Inhale to lift tall, broaden the shoulders, Exhale to maintain this posture. Feel yourself lifting up and breathing into this body. Gentle smile on your face. Join your palms in Namaste. Bow your head down. Surrendering to your infinite existence, surrendering to your divine existence. Let the smile on your face go broader, wider. Now slowly come up, rub your palms, place them on the eyes, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. So do this meditation regularly. It will have a great impact in your confidence and energy levels on day-to-day basis.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and connect with me on Instagram and Facebook.